Hello and welcome to another Myth Alley Cat DIY video. Today I have a hey what's new Dollar Tree video to show you where I show you everything that is new at my local Dollar Tree. So let's get right on into the video. So of course my Dollar Tree is getting in all of their school supplies. They have so many different pencil pouches that you can put in your binder. They also have some 3-ring binders in just solid colors and some with these really pretty different designs. They've also just got a plain white binder for $1. Part of me really wants to buy a binder, but I don't really have a reason to do so. So I didn't. They've also got these really glittery pencil pouches or these that are see-through, which is really cool. I did see someone used these see-through pencil pouches to organize her stickers, so that is a really cool idea. And then these are super adorable with the little puppies and the little kittens. So cute. However, I do know that you can get notebooks like that, especially the plain ones, for cheaper when they go on sale, so definitely keep that in mind at another store. These are so beautiful. I have a few of their composition notebooks, and the designs are worth it to me. It's so pretty. These are definitely new designs, and I love that one. So cute. One more. Really pretty. More kittens. So cute. And of course, they have the regular old composition notebooks. These ones are really different. It's kind of cool. I suppose you could DIY them a little bit more. And then some more pencil pouches. I'm not sure if these lanyards are new, but I don't think I've seen them, so I thought that I'd show them to you really quick. Sorry about that. And then they have a whole bunch of new hair accessories out. So if you need a scrunchie or a hair clip, definitely check out your Dollar Tree right now. And they have some cat ears in and a unicorn ears as well. Some really pretty bows. This is really cool. It's like a head wrap. It's the buffalo check and some different patterns back there. Some really pretty hair clips. And they of course have some new socks in. Honestly, I'm not sure if these are new, but they had them at the new display that they have going on for the um, school supplies and everything. Some really cute socks to choose from. Oh my goodness, look at all of those boxes, you guys. I am so excited to find out what was in all of them. Of course, you can kind of look on the side of the box and sometimes it will say what it is. They're starting to get some pumpkins in, which is exciting, and they have these really cute fall signs that say gather. They have so many different really pretty pumpkins to choose from. I did purchase one, so I'm super excited about that. Might have to get a different one when they come out with more, but we'll just have to wait and see. They have all of these really adorable fall slash Thanksgiving signs. So that is really, really exciting. Here's a quick overview of their fall flowers that they have in so far. They're so pretty and I am so excited for fall. In the toy section they had these plastic snakes and like spiders and bugs. Pretty sure that is new. They also had this I guess it's poop slime. It's different, but there you go. I don't think I've seen that. They had some crystal, like little projects, little sets that you can make little crystals. What am I trying to say? And they had these cars, little figures. They had some new designs for these little notebooks, and you do get 3 notebooks in there. Oh, 4. You get 4 notebooks in there for $1. Those are really kind of cool to have, like different places that you need, like your car or just randomly on your desk or wherever. These looked new to me, these notepads. Kind of a farmhouse pattern right there. Sorry, I was kind of having a hard time filming that area for some reason. They had all of these notebooks with the hard cover. These were really cool. They have this little mini calendar on them and then a notepad. They have that design with the rose, that one with the little bird, and they also have one with a lemon. Oh, and that one with a little teacup. Super, super cute. I love the one with the lemon though. This was really interesting. It's a book of things you can make without even using a sewing machine. I thought that was really interesting. I almost contemplated picking it up, but I didn't see anything that I would necessarily want to make. But it's still really cool, and for $1, that I mean you can't go wrong with that. But I thought I would show you guys just in case you might want to look for this book. My Dollar Tree had these little paint sets in different characters. They had Disney, they had this other character, I don't know the name of, oh, Fancy Nancy. Uh-huh. And then Trolls. The problem is it looks like they were kind of falling apart, so just keep an eye on that. The paint would probably still work the same. They had this notepad. I don't think I've seen this one with the pineapple. And these little guys are interesting, these little flamingos. There are the 3 different designs. Somebody was nice enough to set them out there. We have these wine toppers, wine cork things, whatever you call that. They had some of those. I don't believe I've ever seen this wall art with this cute little llama. I don't know if I've seen that one either. This one looked new to me as well. And this one with the bugs. Ugh. I'm not really a fan of the bugs. The butterflies are pretty, but if it's something you're interested in, there you go. You might want to check out your Dollar Tree. I saw some new magnets. So this is the end of my Hey, What's New Dollar Tree video. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for joining me today and taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Really means the world to me. If you want to see more like this from me, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. And to see even more than that, you can click on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderfully perfect day. Until next time, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Bye bye.